Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad kes sangma haka khat pratare ujemmang arja Plie ule play pajba ya ke Dare to Dream Academy ke jaka hikai football da ke Dream Foundation haka jinge trailang bat ke Assam Rifles Public School BBFS Residential Academy ke Indian Academy Foundation bat ke Baichung Football School SAI NEHU. Menteri Rangba habakran haka nega ski ul ai khublai ka Dream Foundation bat ya Baichung butia na kamenta ka jingjet ya ka nongba Shillong kum ka Residential Football Academy beningkong haka than chatai lammi ngi jongkari India.
This one is specially signed by Baichung, our token of gratitude.
I hope it gets. It is about what the expectations are, what challenges there are, what would they like to be in life. It's a very, very detailed and comprehensive survey which took us many months to do. Apart from the many things that came out in the survey, one very interesting fact came out. And that was when we asked the children, the youth of Meghalaya, that what career they would like to pursue in the future. The answer for that was very interesting. Out of the close to 1 lakh children, almost 30%, which is the highest, everything else was number 2, 3, 4. The top, career option that the youth mentioned in that youth survey was sports. This energy that is there in the youth, you see, we need to allow this energy to go in the right direction. If we don't, I keep repeating this and it is the right forum to say it here. If we don't allow this ball of energy to go in the right direction, it will be a destructive force. But if we can use it and channelize it in the right direction, it will be the most constructive force for this nation.
Haswa ka diu Baichung butia ula pentep bak program hikai football jaga BBFS kan ai jinghikai ki bapaka tam ya ki khana samla ki ba hapo ka khat nyosnam bat ki bala ru ban lecha hikai shak Islam jinghikai ba prepare jaga BBFS ula ong ru baka diga Islam ai jinghikai ka don menta san phongot ki samlai le kai na keleng ki jela ka than chatai lammi ngi.
In fact, we are not even in Eastern India. So this is our first residential academy and in comparison to Eastern and Northeast India. Residential football academy for us, BBFS, in the entire Eastern region and Northeast. And for us, I think Meghalaya Shillong is the venue because first of all, we've got such great, wonderful CM and the state itself is very passionate about football and sports. So for us, ideal was to come in here, and also we are very thankful to Dream Foundation for supporting and sponsoring kids. And it's going to be mostly kids from Northeast. And as I said earlier, we've already had 6 Meghalaya boys gone for national camp, but who are playing in India, who are playing for the national team. Honorable CM Meghalaya state footballers, and they've gone to the finals of Santosh Trophy, which is a big achievement, from a state from Northeast. I think they were the ones who went on to qualify. So, I think that shows that Meghalaya football is definitely has got potentials, but I think we still need to do much more from the grassroots.
See, if you look at the overall picture even now, whether it's the under 17 or even at the senior level, a large number of players are actually from Northeast. And you have to realize that these talents have come out almost raw, which means that they have come out on their own and they did not have the necessary support and infrastructure. So in spite of not having that, still there were a large number who made it to the national team. So you can imagine that if we are able to provide scientific and proper training and the necessary infra to them, it will be a game changer. So the future is huge. We have a lot of people who are talented, not just in football, but in sports in general, in different disciplines. And we expect that not just in football, but in many areas, in the coming years and many years to come, that Northeast will contribute immensely to overall sports sector in the nation as a whole. And we hope that our players will be able to contribute to the national football team, and we hope that one day India will start qualifying and obviously will start winning and hopefully win the World Cup also. So obviously our dream is big, but it starts with small steps. And that's all. I think enough for this. Oh yeah, आपको पीछे आ जाओ. ऐसे मारे.
ऐसे ही है ना practice अच्छा होना.
Okay, Ankit, take 6 of them out now. We'll play for 2 minutes and see him.
Yeah, referee. मुझे मत देना भाई.
देर से
कौन सा सर को दे रहा भाई? Okay.
Play on possession, come on. Possession. Don't lose the ball. Do not lose the ball.
तो बच्चा को हिट कर दिया था.
Ball back.
This is the one, please, sir.
Sir, एक फोटो ले.